this video, I will show you how to get a job at Goldman Sachs. So first of all, open up a browser and then just type in Goldman Sachs and then jobs and then click on enter. And then you need to click on this option saying Goldman Sachs careers. So let's go ahead and click on this. And then you need to scroll down and then you can just search by role, skill, or business, or you can select if you're a student or you want to apply for open roles. So let's say we want to apply for open roles, then we're going to click on this. And then from here, we can see all of the jobs that are currently available. And you can also filter by location. So let's go ahead and click on location in here. And now we can just select a location where we want to have the job in. So I'm just going to scroll all the way down and then select United States. And then you can select everything from the United States, or you can select a certain state again. And let's say I'm going with this one, this strategist analyst in New York. Then I'm going to click on this. And now I can see all of the job description and all of the details. And I can also see a salary range, a job function, the location, the corporate title, and the division and stuff like that. And if you're interested, you're just going to click on apply. And once you click on apply, you need to create an email address and then click on next. And then you just simply need to go through the application process, which will include filling in your CV, your resume, and stuff like that, and a motivation letter and all of your personal details. And after that, you will apply for a job at Goldman Sachs. So I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I will see you in the next one.